Do you prefer using a computer or a tablet? Why?
I prefer using a computer because it's better for tasks like typing documents, watching movies, and working on projects. Tablets are more portable, but they aren't as comfortable for long tasks.
How often do you use social media?
I use social media almost every day. It helps me stay connected with friends and family, and I also use it for news and entertainment. However, I try not to spend too much time scrolling.
What is your favorite app, and why do you like it?
My favorite app is Spotify because I love listening to music. It has playlists for every mood, and I can also discover new songs easily.
Do you think children spend too much time on screens?
Yes, I think many children today spend too much time on screens. It can affect their health, sleep, and social skills. Parents should encourage more outdoor activities.
Have you ever taken a break from technology?
Yes, last summer I went on a weekend trip without my phone or computer. At first it felt strange, but later I enjoyed the peace and focused more on nature and my friends.
What's your dream travel destination?
My dream destination is Japan. I'd love to visit Tokyo, see Mount Fuji, and try traditional Japanese food.
Do you prefer traveling alone or with friends?
I prefer traveling with friends because it's more fun and we can share experiences. Traveling alone can be peaceful, but it might feel lonely at times.
What's the best place you've ever visited?
The best place I've visited is Paris. I loved seeing the Eiffel Tower, exploring museums, and trying delicious pastries.
Do you like road trips?
Why or why not? Yes, I love road trips. It's exciting to explore new places, stop at interesting spots, and enjoy good music with friends in the car.
What do you usually pack when you travel?
I always pack my passport, phone charger, comfortable clothes, snacks, and a book. I also carry a small first aid kit just in case.